If you want to experience it once as an astronaut, here's the guide for you. Go to Ulan Hatta Volcano Geopark. There is no admission fee. Volcanoes number 3, number 5 and number 6 are worth visiting. The 6 is good to photograph. Rent a spacesuit. Stroll around here. You can also do not need to rent. Photographing tourists. In volcano number 6, like in an alien world. 60 million years ago volcanic stone. Can be taken away? It looks good in a spacesuit. The number 5 is well preserved, can be climbed. Watching the sunset in the evening, wait for sunset near volcano number 3. It is known as an alchemy furnace. There are ladders. Look at the sunset over the prairie. See the volcanic ruins. Fewer people and fewer cars. Lots of sheep on the side of the road. Feel free to take pictures. Eat a roast leg of lamb. Drink salty milk tea.